Hello everyone and welcome back to English Learning Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Hania.
Hello, Hania. Hi, everyone. I am so happy to be here with you today. It is a beautiful day for a podcast.
It really is, Kamyar. How are you doing today? You look very happy.
I'm doing great, thank you. I have my big cup of coffee and I am ready to talk. How about you, Hania?
I am doing very well. I am excited because today we have a very special topic. It is something that makes our conversations deep, real, and truly human.
Ooh, a special topic. I love that. What is it?
Today, we are unlocking one of the most important skills for connection: how to talk about your feelings in English, English speaking practice. We will move beyond just happy and sad to find the right words for your heart.
That is a beautiful and powerful topic. So many learners have a rich inner world but feel stuck with simple words. Today, we give you the vocabulary and confidence to express it all.
Exactly. So to everyone joining us, whether you're feeling joyful, thoughtful, or a bit nervous, this lesson is your safe space. Welcome. Let's learn to speak from the heart.
Welcome, everyone. Let's begin this journey into emotional English.
Let's start by building a strong foundation. We often use only basic words. Today, we expand your feelings vocabulary with more precise and powerful words.
We'll group them into 4 core categories. Think of this as your emotional palette. First, the high-energy positives. These are feelings of joy and excitement.
1. Happy. The general good feeling. I am happy. 2. Excited. Full of joyful anticipation. I am excited about the concert. 3. Enthusiastic. Eager and interested. I am enthusiastic about this new project. 4. Hopeful. Believing good things will happen. I feel hopeful about the future.
Second, the calm positives. These are feelings of peace and contentment. 1. Peaceful. Calm and quiet inside. I feel peaceful listening to the rain. 2. Grateful/thankful. Deep appreciation. I am grateful for your help. 3. Content. Satisfied with what you have. I feel content at home. 4. Relieved. Happy because stress is gone. I feel relieved the test is over.
Third, the low energy challenges. These are feelings of sadness or lack of energy. 1. Sad. The general feeling of unhappiness. 2. Tired or exhausted, needing rest. I am exhausted from work. 3. Bored, not interested or stimulated. I feel bored with this task. 4. Lonely, feeling alone even with people. I feel lonely sometimes.
Fourth, the high energy challenges. These are feelings of anxiety or frustration. 1. Stressed, mental pressure from too much. I feel stressed about my deadline. 2. Anxious/nervous, worried about the future. I feel anxious about the interview. 3. Frustrated, upset because things are blocked. I feel frustrated with this problem. 4. Overwhelmed, feeling you can't handle everything. I feel overwhelmed with information.
Motivation point. Having these words is like having a map of your own heart. You are not lost in a vague, bad feeling. You can pinpoint, I feel overwhelmed. This clarity is the first step to managing it. You are taking control by naming it.
Now, let's take these words and put them into your most powerful tool, the sentence. The simplest and strongest structure is I feel.
Why I feel and not I am. I am sad can sound like a permanent state. It defines you. I feel sad is temporary. It's an experience you're having. It's softer and more accurate. You are not your feeling. You are experiencing a feeling.
Let's practice the basic structure. Use our new words. I feel hopeful. I feel content. I feel overwhelmed. Practice saying 3 about yourself right now. Right now, I feel blank.
Now let's add intensity. This is crucial for accuracy. A little, a bit, I feel a little anxious. Really, very, I feel really excited. Extremely, so, I feel extremely grateful.
Let's practice with intensity. I'll name a feeling. You say it with a little and really. Feeling. Tired. I feel a little tired. I feel really tired. See how the meaning changes? Now you try with frustrated. Pause for practice.
Motivation point. This precision is a superpower. It allows you to communicate exactly what you need. I feel a little tired might mean you need a break. I feel really tired might mean you need to stop. You are giving clear signals to the world and to yourself.
A feeling often doesn't exist alone. It comes from a reason. The magic word that connects them is because. This turns a statement into a story and helps others understand you.
The full formula is I feel, feeling, because, reason. This is where your English becomes truly expressive. I feel relieved because I finished my work. I feel grateful because you are my friend. I feel frustrated because I don't understand this grammar.
Let's do a building exercise. I'll give a reason. Hania, you create the feeling sentence. Reason, it's my best friend's birthday tomorrow.
I feel really excited because it's my best friend's birthday tomorrow.
Excellent. Reason, I have too many emails to answer.
I feel a bit overwhelmed because I have too many emails to answer.
Perfect. You chose the precise feeling and intensity.
Now, your turn. We'll give reasons. You build the I feel because sentence in your mind or out loud. 1. Reason, the weather is sunny and warm. 2. Reason, I have a difficult conversation later. 3. Reason, I learned something new today.
You can also use other connectors like when or about. I feel anxious when I have to speak in public. I feel happy about our plans. I feel nervous about the result.
Motivation point. When you explain your why, you are doing more than speaking English. You are practicing self-awareness. You are understanding what triggers your joy, your stress, your peace. This is emotional intelligence, and you are building it in a new language. That is incredible growth.
Communication is a two-way street. It's not just about sharing your feelings, it's about caring for others. Learning to ask shows you are a kind, connected person.
The most common question is, how are you? But we can ask with more care. How are you feeling today? More focused on emotions. How has your day been? Asks for a story. Is everything okay? Shows concern if someone seems quiet.
To show deep listening, use really or mention what you see. How are you really? You look thoughtful. Is something on your mind? You seem excited. What's happening?
Let's role play. Hania, you seem a bit tired. I'll ask with care. Hi, Hania. How are you feeling? You look a little tired.
Oh, thank you for asking. I am a bit tired because I didn't sleep well.
I'm sorry to hear that. I hope you can rest soon.
See? Simple words, but the care is in the specific question and observation.
Now, practice responding to someone's feelings. If someone says, I'm stressed about work, you can show support. I understand. That sounds difficult. I'm sorry you're feeling that way. Would you like to talk about it? Only if you are close.
These phrases are bridges. They say, I hear you. You are not alone. This is the true goal of language, connection. Let's put everything into full conversations. We'll do 2 detailed role plays.
Scene 1. Catching up with a close friend.
Hey, it's so good to see you. How have you been feeling lately?
Honestly, I've been feeling a mix of things. I'm really excited because I'm starting a new course next week, but I'm also a little nervous about it.
That's completely understandable. Starting something new is always a mix. What are you excited about?
I feel enthusiastic about learning new skills, but I feel anxious about meeting new people.
I get that. Remember, Everyone is new. You'll do great. Thanks for sharing that with me.
Notice the mix of feelings, the use of because, and the supportive responses.
Scene 2. A supportive check-in at work.
Good morning. How are you feeling about the big presentation this afternoon?
To be honest, I'm feeling quite stressed. I want it to go well, and there's a lot of information.
It's normal to feel stressed. Your preparation has been excellent. Is there anything specific you're worried about?
I feel frustrated because the data charts are not working perfectly. It makes me feel a bit overwhelmed.
I understand. Let's look at the charts together now. Sometimes a second pair of eyes helps.
This is professional, honest, and leads to a solution.
Now, deep shadowing practice. We'll say lines from the first scene. You repeat after us, focusing on conveying the emotion, not just the words.
They lead a slow, line-by-line shadowing exercise for the first 4 lines of the friend dialogue. Hey, it's so good to see you. How have you been feeling lately? Life is not simple. We often feel mixed emotions. English has ways to express this complexity.
Use connectors, but, and at the same time, on the one hand, on the other hand. I feel happy about my promotion, but I also feel nervous about the new responsibility. I'm excited to travel, and at the same time, I feel a bit sad to leave home. On one hand, I feel relieved it's over. On the other hand, I feel a little lost.
You can also say it directly. I have mixed feelings, or I feel torn. This is a sophisticated and honest thing to say.
Let's practice. Think of a common situation. Moving to a new house. What mixed feelings could you have? Practice saying, about moving, I feel blank, but also blank.
Motivation point. Being able to express complexity shows a deep understanding of yourself and the world. It shows maturity. Don't shy away from these complex sentences. They are a sign of your advanced emotional and language skills.
Let's turn knowledge into a habit. Here is your 7-day Feelings in English challenge.
Day 1. The Noticer. 3 times today, pause and name your feeling in English in your mind. Right now, I feel blank.
Day 2. The Describer. Answer, how are you, with a specific feeling word, not fine. I'm content. I'm a bit tired.
Day 3. The Storyteller. Practice 1 I feel because sentence in your journal or out loud.
Day 4. The Listener. Ask one person, how are you feeling today? Listen to their answer.
Day 5. The Shadow. Rewatch and shadow the practice dialogue from this video.
Day 6. The Mixer. Identify and express one situation where you have mixed feelings. Write or say the sentence.
Day 7. The Reflector. Look back. How did it feel to name your emotions in English? Write one sentence about that.
This challenge is about building awareness and bravery. The goal is not perfection. The goal is to make talking about feelings in English a normal, comfortable part of your life.
What you practiced today is one of the highest forms of language use. You moved beyond ordering food or asking for directions. You learned to share your human experience.
Your feelings are valid. Your voice to express them is important. By learning to say, I feel overwhelmed, or I feel deeply grateful, you are not just learning English. You are giving your soul a microphone in a new language.
This makes you a more powerful friend, partner, colleague, and global citizen. You are building bridges of understanding that go deeper than words.
If this lesson helped you feel equipped to express your heart, please like this video. It tells us this emotional learning is valuable to you.
Subscribe to English Learning Channel and click the bell. We are here to support every part of your journey, the practical, the grammatical, and the emotional.
Comment below. This is your safe practice space. Write, today I feel blank because blank. Be honest. We will read every single one and offer our support.
Thank you for your courage and openness. Keep speaking your truth. Your voice matters. Goodbye for now.